How to delete TikTok videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete videos on TikTok. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's say you uploaded a video for a quiet period of time and now you no longer want it on your gallery and now you want to delete it from your TikTok profile as well. It's very simple to do that. Just go ahead and then launch the TikTok application. Once you launch TikTok, you can see this is how it is going to look like. So what you have to do is you just have to go to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, here you have to simply select a specific video that you want to delete. So let's say that I want to delete this particular video. What I have to do is just tap on the three horizontal dots right at the bottom right corner. Tap on it and here you will see these options. You have to scroll all the way to the right hand side until you find this trash icon that is delete. So just tap on the trash icon. It will ask you for a confirmation that if you want to delete this video or not. You can go ahead and delete it, but keep in mind that once you delete it, there is no going back. You won't be able to restore it from your trash or from recycle bin later on. And that's all it takes to delete your videos on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.